So what we have here, this is a gun, 1809, so it's a fusee. This was a standard trade gun that would have been used by the British to the natives, and I'll just show you how it would work. You would first pull back the flint. You notice the flint here? That's where you put a little bit of powder, drop back the pan, and then drop it down, put your ball and gunpowder in, and use your rod to push your gun and powder down. Then basically drop it back, another cock, and then fire. You notice the spark? That would have lit the powder, and your ballistic would have went off to the ground. About 50 yards was the accuracy. So you would have it up, and if you were in a typical British style, you'd be lined up side by side, and this spark would go across your neighbor's face, and that's why there was things called sideburns, because this flash of sparks and gunpowder would burn your neighbor that would be a couple of feet away from you. So that's the origin of the word sideburns. So they were actually quite deadly if they hit you, and it was a great way to actually get to know these weapons. They're not that expensive. This is a genuine trade gun. What else we have here is a few other guns. This one actually, Joe purchased this. This is a 1790s flintlock. We have a battle sword. We have a reproduction of a brown bess. This is the most infamous or famous gun here. That's a robber bot plus a bayonet. And over here are some replicas that we made up for the filming of the series, and a powder horn. So together we have a bit of a cache of weapons.